Hi, this is Thais Barati. I'm Commercial Director for Open Solutions. Open Solutions Manufacturing is a Brazilian company specialized in delivering manufacturing solutions integrated with and certified by SAP. We offer a 100% Fiori-based solution compatible with SQL or HANA, offering advanced production control, costing, quality management, logistics, MERP2, APS, budgeting, and lean manufacturing mass, all aligned with digital transformation and Industry 4.0. We provide agile consulting and emphasizing usability, automation, and best practices. Our team has hands-on experience in real manufacturing environment, ensuring efficient ERP and shop floor integration. Originating from a SAP consulting background, the company is now aiming for global expansion, and we invite you to be part of this beautiful and remarkable milestone. If you are interested to deep dive into manufacturing real solution, reach out to us.